Hello students, today we're going to be working on finding the slope from just 2 points. So we no longer have a graph and we just need to find the slope going on here. So there are 2 strategies that I like to use. The first one is I'm a very visual person, so I like to imagine what the graph would look like. So 9, 5 would be around here, and then 7 is less than that, so that would be here, and 2 is less than 5, so that would be here. So this would be my approximate graph, so 9, 5, and then this one's 7, 2. And then I imagine my slope triangle that we learned about before. So from 7 to 9, that increased by 2. And then from 2 to 5, that increased by 3. So that means my fraction is the change in y, which was 3 over 2. However, I know a lot of people are not like me and don't necessarily visualize like that. So there is a handy formula for you to use. And it goes like this. M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And so all you do here is you plug in what x and y's are. So come back over here to the original points. I'm going to label this x1, y1, because those are the points, and x2, y2. Because remember, these are x, y pairs. You want the 1's to go together and the 2's to go together. So now come back over to your formula and plug in your numbers. So we have m will equal 2 minus 5 over 7 minus 9. Alright, so now you just do this math. So 2 minus 5 is negative 3, and 7 minus 9 is negative 2. So when you have this double negative here, it's like taking a negative divided by a negative, and we know that when they're the same sign, they turn positive. So really your answer here will just be 3 over 2. So as you can see, we get the same answer either way. So you can pick the method that works best for you.